Hi everyone! I'm Grace and welcome to another episode of Bakery Series video recipe of Miguelitos. Today, samahan niyo akong gumawa ng Miguelitos Instant Brownies. Here are the ingredients. 2 medium-sized eggs, 3/4 cup of softened butter, 1/4 cup of high fructose, 1/2 cup of cashew nuts, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, and our very own Miguelitos Instant Brownie Mix. You can sell these brownies for 180 to 200 pesos per tray. Best pangregalo to your loved ones. To be updated for more video recipe of Miguelitos, don't forget to click the ring bell button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Miguelitos, ang best partner mo sa negosyo.